Looking ahead to 2030, over 80 million square meters of storage space. Millions of storage facilities. 1.5 million workers managing storage flows. The increasing number of incorrect retrievals. All sectors face numerous intralogistics challenges and difficulties, making the storage, retrieval, and data management of products a daunting task that consumes time, effort, and space. Imagine, what if the storage and retrieval process could be automated in just a few seconds with the push of a button? What if you could eliminate picking errors entirely? What if you could ensure the safety and well-being of your workers without any stress or risk of injury? Can you imagine? RIFAF Company for Automated Intralogistics Solutions was the first in the Middle East to transform this vision into reality, moving beyond traditional storage methods. We have developed cutting-edge automated solutions tailored to meet the unique needs and desires of our customers. ShelfTech. Our vertical storage system is the most efficient version of today's storage solutions. With 15 different designs offering various dimensions and weight capacities, we cater to the diverse storage needs of our customers. ShelfTech means that you save up to 90% on storage space, reduce retrieval times to as low as 30 seconds, boost productivity by up to 70%, achieve picking accuracy of up to 99.9%, reduce manpower by up to 80% while ensuring worker safety. RIFAF Company for Automated Intralogistics Solutions. Don't go to the shelf. We will bring the shelf to you. ShelfTech can save up to 90% of your storage space, making it the ideal solution for your storage challenges. Our VLM's key features: utilize up to 16 meters of vertical storage space, drastically reducing the footprint required. With two facing columns of racks housing metal trays moved by a lift, the system constitutes the heart of the automatic storage system. Manage materials of any format, weight, and size with a load capacity of up to 995 kilograms per tray. Trays can be divided to optimize space and ensure easy access at any time with minimal effort. Facilitates lifting and handling materials during order picking, delivering the desired product directly to the operator without the need for unnecessary movement and wasted time. The connection to the corporate ERP allows for comprehensive order tracking and inventory monitoring, ensuring all operations are documented and error-free. Delivers items automatically at a convenient and comfortable height, allowing workers to access them easily and safely. The system comes with a wide range of accessories for faster picking, reducing errors, and remote monitoring and intervention. ShelfTech's innovative design empowers workers to manage all storage systems efficiently, monitor materials and inventory accurately, minimize errors, and improve overall productivity, ensuring fast and precise product retrieval. With the highest levels of safety guaranteed through electronic barriers that bring products without strain or risky movements. RIFAF. Reach new heights.